Okay, so we're at a park and ride. Except it's more like a park right now.
There are no rides.
We're not riding nowhere. So we've been driving for like 15 hours, we decided. I was supposed to be the last shift driving, and I was supposed to have 3.5 hours to get home. And I've been driving for 5, and we're still an hour away.
Probably over an hour because Google Maps says an hour.
Yeah. Anyway, we drove from Kentucky. We were in Kentucky this morning, and
Southern Kentucky.
Yeah, we heard there was a storm coming to Minnesota.
We were warned by people.
We were warned. So we tried to beat the storm, which is why we left, and we were like, we're just gonna sprint. We're just gonna go. Yeah, we really should have just gone tomorrow, but we didn't. So, the snow is really bad. My van is really bad for snow. Tires don't have any traction whatsoever. Like, I literally will
we know this. We know it's not
I
meant
know
for
all
winter.
of this stuff.
Yeah.
Like, I should have. It was just bad. My windshield gets like completely frosted over. I can't see out of it. It's all blurry. The like defroster doesn't work. I was fishtailing all over the place. It was really scary. And then like also I'm so afraid to get off of the road because what if you get stuck on an exit ramp? Like that shit sucks too.
Explain how this works, like to people that don't understand snow.
Basically, it's not a good time.
Yeah, the off ramps don't get plowed unless you're lucky and a plow goes ahead of you.
Yeah,
which happened because we got stalled out and we're just sitting on the highway for probably 30 minutes.
Yeah, so just all sorts of things. I literally almost went off the road, so we kind of had a manic panic screaming crying moment, and I finally found an exit.
I wish we could like almost reenact it.
Oh my god, it was awful. It was really, really awful.
It's just a mile away. It's 1 mile away.
So terrible. And then there's semis like plowing past you on the
Anybody
left side.
passing in snow.
So bad. It was just a mess. But we got off on an exit, and we just happened to find a park and ride like right here, which seems like it got plowed semi recently. So at least we're hoping that means they'll plow in the morning.
Typically they try to plow everything for transit for the cities because then people aren't driving.
Yeah, but that's why we parked here. We were like, this is probably a good spot. It's like, it's the plow. They're coming back.
That's wind.
That's wind. So loud. We thought we'd be home tonight, but
you're always home.
We'll be here. Yeah, we'll be here.
We're gonna wake up and all the windows are gonna be frosted.
We're gonna be
frosted inside the van.
Buried. It's gonna be awful, but pretty. So, one more night in the van, guys. If anybody's curious what van life in the snow is like, get 4-wheel drive.
And better tires.
And better tires. And better windshield wipers.
Just and not this van. It's
defrost.
not.
It's not It's not winterproof. It's not winter durable. Yeah, I'm regretting coming home. No, I don't. I'm excited to get home. I'm not excited about this whole getting there part. I feel better. All right, we're gonna go to bed now because it's like 3 a.m. So we're going to bed. Love you. Good night.
Love you. Good night. Okay, it is morning. It is still freezing. I should probably get this window cleared off. But the snowplow came, and so we're hoping we can get out of this spot. They did a pretty good job of getting the snow that was around our car. So I think we should be able to get out. It doesn't seem like the car iced too hard. It got ice on the windshield and like my driver's side window, but everything else seems pretty okay. I might get the back windows too, just in case. We are going to try drive out of here. We can see a freeway from here, and the cars and traffic seem to be moving pretty steadily, or they did. They look like maybe they're going slower now, but we decided to get out sooner rather than later because of the plow work that has been done already. I don't think the plow is going to come back around anytime soon over here, so we're just going to try to get on the road before it gets any worse. So, all right, goodbye. It's a lot more manageable. The roads More hopeful than last night.
Yeah. Last night was miserable.
Dad! It's Dad! Hi, Dad! He's like, why did you do that? There, okay.
I don't. Now I'm gonna get stuck.
Hi!
I'm like,
There's my car. Super very. Please don't.
can't stop.
We're good right here.
Oh! I'm so ready for a shower. Oh my god. Oh. That was like the most stressful driving ever.